We have created the industry's first self-service AI connector, answering all your questions 24/7. A lot of us reach for AI now to get a quick answer, but when it comes to product specs and searches, many tools go and read the open web, and they can't always determine good information from bad. So we thought, what if there was a tool you could ask the way you normally would, but you knew every answer came straight from the manufacturer? Well, we built it. So what does it do? Let's say you're speccing a job and you need to get some music into a sauna. You can just ask it, what speakers from Habitech can I use in this space with a Sonos amp? I've got 95mm depth, are they in stock, and what's my price? The response comes back with the right products, the exact dimensions, the technical drawing or data sheet, live stock, and your pricing, all pulled straight from us. So a query that might have meant going to multiple websites is now answered in a few sentences. The connector's not just useful for single product lookups, it scales up to an entire project. Let's say it's a job you thought had gone cold. The client calls you and they want to progress. You can just drop your PDF quote in and ask for the availability and pricing. It reads the whole quote, checks whether any items have been discontinued. If they have, it suggests suitable replacements and gives you live stock and current pricing on the whole project. Once complete, you could then ask it to build a technical resource pack from those products, and it compiles the specs, data sheets, and drawings ready to append to your documentation. And it's not just products. Let's say you've now placed that order for the sauna, you're on a different site and you want to know if it's been delivered. Just ask it where your last order is and it confirms the status, the date, time, who signed for it and where it went. Going beyond pre-sales inquiries, you can also check your account status, your invoices and anything on back order and when to expect it. That's the whole idea. We're not replacing our brilliant customer service team, but everything you'd normally go to them or our website for, you can just ask and get a straight answer in seconds, regardless of the time of day. Product specs, drawings, live stock, pricing, orders, deliveries, your account, any time of day, any day of the year, from any device you have, be that laptop, phone, or tablet. Give it a go. Put it through its paces and tell us what you think. We've built this for you, and over the next months, the tool will be evolving based on your feedback. For more information, go to habitech.co.uk/askhabitech to get signed up.